What's the meaning of bed cover? Bed cover. Bed cover.
Bed cover. Bed cover. A bed cover is a protective layer that is placed on top of a bed to cover the mattress and add an extra layer of warmth and comfort. It is typically made from a soft and durable material, such as cotton or polyester, and can come in a variety of sizes to fit different mattress dimensions. Bed covers can also serve as a decorative element in a bedroom, with many designs and patterns available to match a room's decor. Additionally, some bed covers may be quilted or padded to provide extra cushioning, while others may be lightweight and airy for use during warmer months. Overall, the purpose of a bed cover is to enhance the sleeping experience and protect the mattress from wear and tear.